And also, this one of the things I wanted to talk about with some people, including about the fire and about what exactly happened here. It said, and on this one sign here, I just want to say, I'm seeing here, it says that CAL FIRE was forced to retreat from the scene. I understand that they weren't even like on the scene. So one of the things I want to talk about is if that's the case, because that's another aspect of civil rights, which is when basically the police or the emergency services are deprived to people based on race. And it's actually got a long history in the United States, like including the lynching cases from like the 1920s and the 1930s. So I kind of want to.
Don't put me in the picture.
Oh yeah. So if we could also maybe while I'm here talk about that a little bit more, because I want to just understand exactly what happened with that. But we have our hearing now. It's August 6th. The judge just moved it from July 28th to August 6th. Anybody who's a plaintiff in the case, we want to make sure that everyone will be able to be available on that date. We'll come like one time before to practice discussing things, and also while I'm here we can talk. And then everyone try to keep your spirits up. I think we do have a good shot prevailing, and we'll keep fighting until we do. And I just hope that the tragedy can subside in the meantime, and I wish it was faster. And I'm sorry it's not. But we are trying, and if we hang in there, I hope that justice will prevail. And there's nothing you can really do except for try to create justice. And if you don't try, then definitely nothing will happen. So we have to keep trying.
Họ chỉ người chỉ có kia hay kia tới mình hay để trả theo để xin người dân trời muốn đâu biết thả hay trong được biết lúc đấy thật không nghe mà nó cái ấy có sợ đời hiện nó cho thì chỉ ta lên đời lúc gì nên lúc thì cho nó tí tia lúc thì nó thì bé hay biết trong lâu hay cho biết trong có thể là để xin lỡ mới nhái một trong lúc gì nên lúc thì sau là cái này cho nên nó tông cho thả kia tông cho từ cái đi cho thả cái bé rồi lo sầu xí thả bé giống ba trong phòng lợi nữa là nó thâu đi tỏ lời nữa hai tia ta chỉ nó bé sợ rồi qua thì còn bé to ok đi nó bé chỉ chơi cho cái bé chỉ ba xứ nó nè vì cho họ ta chỉ nó bé có qua đi cha là những chỉ tàu để chỉ dùng đồ họ bé sợ rồi chỉ to cũng ok cứ phải bé sợ rồi chỉ to qua cái bé bao hả hay cái bé cái này cái to cái ba này cái nói với chỉ muốn cái to nè cái bé qua đi nó ít tu chỉ mua cầu tu là chỉ cho tu chỉ to là riêng những mấy tu bỏ bé cho cái qua bé cho cái hồ nè để lại riêng những to cái bé riêng những chuyện cho họ cái ba nữa nè cái tôi nói với bé tôi chỉ đi cho rồi nè cho nên tôi ở đây tôi thì cho bé sợ những con này rồi là để cho nên cho nên sao con này rồi thì tôi nên tôi nói với cái nếu bé tôi đi cho nó ok bây giờ thì hiện nó bé một giờ tới mình nó
From outside the community, and tomorrow I'm actually going to be meeting with the Asian Chamber of Commerce in Sacramento to talk about this. And I'm sure many of you know, but the Asian Chamber of Commerce, they help every group of people in the state. They've been helping African Americans and a bunch of other groups, but from Sacramento to LA with all different types of things. So I'm meeting with them tomorrow. I met them through a connection to Sacramento, and hopefully they're going to be able to align us with more grassroots support, because basically you guys understand the rhetoric has been that this is some kind of like environment that the sheriff stands for environmental justice, and that's just not true. Also, it's interesting this week there was a study that came out from Berkeley that said that, and this is just kind of like a side note, but that the amount of water that's consumed by marijuana is a lot less than previously thought. It's like it's 370 gallons a pound, especially compared to the nut business in California. So one of the things that we really have to do is change like the way people are talking about this. The reason our problems in California have been having very poor desalinization and for that production. And I think that we have the facts on our side, and we just have to keep fighting. But tomorrow I'm going to try to get us some more allies with the Asian Chamber of Commerce, and then they're going to reach out to people in the California Assembly. And I'm hoping also maybe we can coordinate. When there were some signs about the special prosecutor, but hopefully we can coordinate with the other lawyers to talk about that also happening with the special prosecutor, and that will then get, I think, the proper type of attention.
Okay. Giờ như cô khi rồi này cho nên số tuổi thì này cho cái cho nhẹ này cho cái hôn cho nhớ rồi bị nó. Ta kỳ nhớ rồi Sacramento cái này ở thành phố G là cho Asian Chambers of Commerce. Cho nó do cho nên nhớ rồi sáng đầu lợi do ít bán nên của ba cho nên đủ hậu dùng đi coi dùng đi của bé. Nếu giống một chỗ lợi nhiều còn lợi có ba bé thế sẽ lỗ của tàu đi trả có ba thằng này nhớ rồi bị no rồi nè. Để có sẽ rồi sẽ lo. Thâu linh đỡ lời giá ta đâu lo lời những lìa hay xong đời khó đây này xí hay tiền tàu bảo đi trả cho đi trả nó ta xí mà hiện nó cú nhọc có mua ít khó sở sự nhọc có tờ xây chỉ tông đấy nó cú hay xong đời đây xí hiện nó lợi cho xí đi bấy bộ xe cho chín kéo này tàu ít hàng xứ hiện nó bấy cho tàu mua cho tí nên của xã chỉ trong là hai chỉ trong cho nên cái xí đây nó tiền số của mua lồng nó nè lồng lại cho cái xã thì cho cái hiện nó và thả lại cho xong đó hay trong đây chỉ trong hiện nó và thâu lên đó là nó cũng thả cho thì trong đi lại cho ở mình tới chụp khi khẳng này cho và sẽ cắt cho nè nó mới sẽ cắt cho lại trong đó là chỉ đây nó đâu hình nhỉ đó chỉ là tới chỉ hay cho trong đó đi nó ok cái chỉ đây cho ý giả trong đi lại cho chỉ cắt cho tay lên đó xứ nó ok vậy còn nếu sẽ đâu sẽ lo ta kỳ sự kiện người muốn đã chỉ muốn cho lợi thả một chua cho công hồng được còn một số bá chỗ này số lên số từ lợi nó ok thâu lên tới lợi nó chơi Nico hai tia bé cho tớ bé tổ nó cũng chỉ mua ý đại do hai cho lợi cho nên dẹp lót diễn du lợi do ý đại hai cho cái dẹp còn gian chạy nhau luôn ra lòng tới tên nó chịu đi để xí nương hai tia nếu mà linh cho tụi cái lý cho vào trong đời chế nên xí thả sẽ lỡ họ xả có bé tổ đại bay trong đi trả hai cho đời lỡ tụi nên của trong tổ lỡ vì cho con lỡ no do nữ do bé tụi cái lý cho tổ trong lông như đây xứ chị nữ dụ hai chỉ tao có bé sau đó chỉ cho trong tụi bé tụi cái tim mông đợi vì cho con lý cho là chế nên tụi cái lý cho tiền nhiều của chỉ tao còn đợi để xí nữ nhón do lỡ tụi cái lý cho tỏ do lỡ chế nên cả xí cho giờ nó xí thẳng thì qua ít cho xài hay cho sát tổ kia nó nè cái cho bé họ tổ kia nó để xin thâu lên đó là bé cho xài bé tổ này nó như cho xài như sao như sao cái cho này okay okay nó thẳng lên đó bên này sẽ nào hả
I guess the only final thing I was just thinking is one of the I know we're just getting into kind of some facts, but the fact is, like Steve said, who owns the well, he knows like exactly how much water is used. He knows like the amount that everyone's using is just his excess amount that he doesn't use for his plants, for his alfalfa. So, it's like I said, I really think we have the facts on our side, and we're going to do everything we can to get a judge to agree with that. But it's just, we have the owner of the well who knows exactly what the water usage is. And in fact, there's even a California law that says it's illegal to waste water, and he's actually, utilizing to its fullest. So it's just a matter of, getting the judge to understand this and make a move. So thank you, everybody, and we'll continue to talk.
Thank you, Allison.
Thì nữ cho cái con gì hay tiền nhớ tôi tới tụi chúng đây và nữ ba muốn nữ cho đây cho nên xí thời nên thời sau là đây ở trong món nọ là do phú cho này tới chia hậu đó nếu hai tia tu chữ nữa nếu như bao kia là hai tia cho đây thì tia nữa mua là do nó xí tao in nô rồi do tao xiong nhưng do kia lịch trả nó nè chỉ cho tới rồi là tụ leo là hai là tới rồi nếu cô chỉ thư tụ chữ đây là tụ kia là chỉ có rong chấp là do là những bóng mình chân hai tia ít xiong nó là do yêu thì nó là do in nô nếu muốn đây ô tô này sẽ được trả nó này tụ kia nó trên hai tia nó cho nó này xong tụ nó nè
Okay, tell me why you're here and why you support this group.
Well, from what I've experienced in Wairika, it's a lawless town. I've been having guns pulled on me. I've had money stolen from me. I've had many things happen to me. I can't even call the police anymore because they harass me. They will not give me any information. They don't give me badge numbers, names, and stuff when they are called upon. I am trying to file a lawsuit against them, my employer, two people that have pulled guns on me, and the police officers have put them on their side when I expressed that they were lying. They'd stolen money from me. They'd already had medical issues, some situation that has to do with reverse thinking. The cops, they just do not do their job at all here.
Is there anything that they do to you due to water restrictions?
Well, the water restriction, I don't know anything much about. I live off-grid in a whole other situation.
I see.
All I know is of the police department, and there's no authority over the city. I go to the sheriff's department, there is no authority over them. I go to the state police, there's no authority over them. I can't find anybody. I'm still dealing with a situation that happened on the 8th, just a few days ago, where there was a gun that was pulled out and the cops came and treated her as she was the victim when she had stolen money from me, lied. There was video that the cops would not allow me to even look at. I think that she's already left town, so that evidence is gone. I can't even begin to explain all.
So what do you want when you're here?
I was coming here to talk to the district attorney to see if he would, because I can't even go to the police station now because they harass me. If I go in there, bullying me. I've got video of guns being shot towards me. They do not care. I have called the police station many times to try to see if I can get a supervisor. Now they are ignoring me. They say that there's going to be police reports. The police reports, they are not coming. They've obstructed justice. They falsified evidence towards me. I've looked on the internet to see that it's considered amongst per capita one of the most violent towns in the United States. I came here to look for the district attorney. There was a guy standing inside saying that they were corrupt. I was agreeing with them very much, and I agree with everything that's happening here. And it's.
Do you have a lawyer to support you or any attorneys to support you?
I am looking for an attorney right now. I had an attorney from LA call me, and she is thinking about my case. I'm still getting guns shot towards me.
Did you talk to that lawyer? She's right there.
Yeah, I haven't talked to anybody.
Yeah, she's
yet.
attorney for the group, the Hmong people.
Uh,
So I think better idea. That's the man, the girl right there. She's the attorney from Sacramento.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. So, do you need any supporter from the Hmong people?
Do I need?
Any supporters?
I'm just working now. I found out they have a Facebook page, so I am going to try to write up something It shows my experience with the police in this town. I've went to the sheriff's department to try to get some authority so I can go to the city police and get the information I need, because I cannot even go there without them threatening or harass me.
I see.
I can't, they will threaten and harass me until I pull out the camera, and then they try to be nice. But I'm just getting to know how to work this thing.
I see.
I have to have it on hand anytime I'm dealing with any of the police in this
Right.
town.